Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to unbox an old school bead kit, and this one's from 2001, and I have gone through quite a few of these throughout the years, but this one is still sealed. But here's the front of it. So let's do the sides. And I remember that Rite Aid had these. Believe it or not, they had like a toy section, and that's where I used to buy these. And they had a few different assortments. But this is one I remember getting a few times. If you can see it right there, it says 2001. But there's the back. I don't know where to start. Oh, there's no way around that. We're gonna have to get that paper off there. And yep, these are taped. Oh, I still can't get it. Oh, more tape. There we go. So this kit has little earrings, three different types of string. There's that plastic string, or both of these are plastic, and then this one, that actually is a decent string, elastic. These hearts. So there's a mix of the regular size heart and then the thin one. It's like flat. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, each color has this set of beads. So flowers and these pinwheels. Is that focusing? But I love, well, I mean, I like all the beads, but these little flower beads. And I don't know why these kind of like remind me of Easter. These like pastel colors. Got letter beads. These are neat. I love these little pastel. I don't even know what to call those. I never really had a name for them. Just like a textured bead. And then this rainbow string. So I'm excited I get to use this again. It's been so long. It's been so long. I think I still have a few of these loose in my collection. But it's nice to have, you know, to have a complete kit to use. Well, here, I'll give you another little close-up before you can see all those flowers in there. Some letter beads. Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.